Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by clearing the sink and removing the strainer so you can work directly on the metal. Sprinkle 1 cup baking soda over wet surfaces. The mild abrasion removes light grime. Pour 1/2 cup white vinegar over the soda to activate fizzing. This lifts mineral scale. Use a soft nylon brush and scrub along the grain, not across it, to avoid scratches. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth so you can see remaining spots before the deeper treatment. Once done with soda and vinegar, address stubborn marks with a paste of non-abrasive cream cleanser or cerium oxide mixed to toothpaste consistency. Apply small sections and rub gently along the grain using a damp microfiber or foam pad. This polishes without gouging. If etching persists, repeat once more but avoid steel wool. Rinse between passes and dry each area. Make sure to check under bright light so you can see holograms or dull spots. Then move to final conditioning for protection. To finish, apply a thin coat of mineral oil or a dedicated stainless steel conditioner. This repels water and prevents spotting. Wipe off excess and buff with a clean microfiber cloth until you have an even sheen. Make sure to maintain the sink weekly. Simple rinses and oiling keep 90% of the work effective. If deep scratches or persistent etching remain, use a fine grit stainless polish kit following its instructions, or get a professional repair to avoid making damage worse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.